In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where Shopify orders can't be shipped to your location. If you've ever encountered this frustrating roadblock, this guide will walk you through the steps to unlock shipping options and ensure your products reach the hands of eager customers no matter where they are. To get started, let's navigate to your Shopify admin page and head over to My Store on the home screen. Once you're inside, the next thing we need to do is click on Settings. You should be able to find this option on the lower left-hand corner of your screen. Give it a click and it will take you to the settings menu where all the magic happens. Next, within the settings menu, look for the Markets tab. This section is crucial as it controls where and how your products can be sold internationally. Click on Markets to proceed. Now under Markets, you'll find an option titled International. This is where you can configure shipping to different countries. Be sure to click on it. Once you're in the international section, you might see an inactive label. Don't worry if that's the case. Simply click on inactive to make the section active. Afterward, it's important you also click on active to ensure that international shipping is enabled. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the save button. This ensures that all adjustments you've made are recorded and applied immediately. Now proceed by selecting shipping and delivery under the settings menu. We're going to set up a new shipping profile that accommodates your needs. To create a new shipping profile, click on create a new profile. You'll need to provide a unique name for the profile you are creating. This name should reflect the purpose or region of the shipping settings. For instance, if this is for a new region, you could name it accordingly. Once you have named the profile, click on Add Products. You have the option to either select all of your products or choose specific ones you want this profile to apply to. It's completely up to you. When you've made your product selections, click on Done to continue. Now let's add a shipping zone by clicking on Add Shipping Zone. You should select all the zones you want to ship to or focus on a specific region based on your strategy. After selecting the appropriate zone, give it a pertinent name as a means of identification. Again, click Done after naming your zone. It's time to add rates to your shipping zone by selecting Add Rate. You have the option to either set specific prices for shipping or offer free shipping depending on your business model. And lastly, name this rate as well, then click on Done. To finalize everything, make sure to click Save. With all these steps completed, your Shopify store should now be ready to ship products to the location in question, unlocking international sales opportunities. Thanks for watching and happy selling.